You were riding your bike, a car turned across your lane, and now you're in the ER, and you don't even own a car. So you assume no fault has nothing for you. Good news, it does. In Michigan, no fault PIP can cover a cyclist hit by a car even if you've never owned a vehicle. The system just has to figure out which insurance pays, and there's a clear order for that, ending in a state backstop if nothing else applies. Here's how Michigan sorts it out. First, it looks to your own household. If you or a relative you live with has auto coverage, that pays. If not, it turns to the insurance on the vehicle that hit you. And if there's still nothing, no household policy, an uninsured or hit-and-run driver, there's a state-assigned claims program that steps in as the backstop. The same chain protects pedestrians struck by a car. So not owning a car rarely means you're on your own. And what you get is real coverage, not a token. PIP pays your accident-related medical care, about 85% of your lost wages for up to 3 years, and help with the household tasks you can't do while you heal. In serious cases, a brain or spinal injury, it can pay for at-home attendant care, which becomes one of the biggest parts of the claim. If the worst happens, there are survivor benefits too. The how matters. Walk the priority order to find the right insurer, then file a written application for no-fault benefits. Don't just make a phone call. Send your proof. The ER records, the police report, photos. And if you're wrongly told to go chase the driver's liability insurance instead, push back, because that's not how Michigan PIP works. Above all, watch the clock. You generally have 1 year from the crash, and even a single late bill can be lost. PIP isn't your only path. You can also sue the driver who hit you, on top of the benefits claim, if your injury clears Michigan's threshold, death, permanent serious disfigurement, or a serious impairment of an important body function. That's where pain and suffering and losses beyond the PIP caps come from. And here's a relief for riders. Michigan has no mandatory adult helmet law. And in most cases, not wearing one won't bar your recovery. So, as a cyclist hit by a car in Michigan, no fault can cover you even without a car of your own. The payer runs household, then the striking vehicle, then the state backstop. PIP pays medical, wages, services, and attendant care. File in writing within a year, and you can still sue the driver if your injury is serious. Everything I mentioned is linked below, including the full written guide with sources. This is new lore for Fieger Law.